Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Let us all together chant the Dhyana Shloka. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavatam Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Muninam Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashaധ്യായിനി Ampattvamanusandanami Bhagavad-gīte Bhagavad-geshini Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunnanti Divyaistavaihi Vedaihi Sangapadakramopanishadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyānāvasthita-tadgatena manasa Pashyanti Yam yoginaha Yasyantam na vidussurasuraganaha Devaya tasmai namaha Vasudeva sutam devam Kamsacharūravardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mūkam karoti vācālam Pangum Nandayate Girim Yakrupātamaham Vande Paramanandamādhavam Pārāśarya-vacas sarojamamalam Gītāर्थadandhotratam Nānākhyanakakesaram Haritavā Sambodhanabodhitam Loke sajjana षट्पदैरहरः एपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमला प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः श्रीभगवानुवाच अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्थाः मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्थाः अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वात्मशुद्धये उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणं ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा विधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः. Today we will contemplate this one. Tulyaninda stutirmauni संतुष्टो येन केनचित् तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः Now all together. Tulyanindastutirmauni santushto yena kenachit aniketasstiramati bhaktiman me priyo naraha. Tulyanindastutirmauni santushto yena kenachit aniketasstiramati bhaktiman me priyo naraha. जयति पराशरसूनुः सत्यवती हृदय नंदनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुं च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties, as all of us know that we are contemplating on Samarasya, the essence of all the yogas, which is bringing us to this where in the previous day, that is yesterday, what we saw, Sama, Loshta, Ashma and Kanchana, everything is same for a Jnani or a Bhakta. He will not have any disparity or he will not get disturbed by Loshta, Ashma and Kanchana. So all these are same. So in the same way, in this continuation of that shloka, here it is told Tulyaninda stutihi mauni santushtaha yena kenachit aniketaha stiramatihi bhaktiman me priyaha naraha priyo naraha bhaktiman me priyo naraha. So that yogi who is in the highest level of consciousness, or that is what is called as samadhi sthiti or yoga sthiti, actually he will be showing these symptoms or these features of a real yogi. What are those? Tulya nindastutirmoni. Tulya means balancing. Yes, tulana. That means he will not get disturbed or perturbed. He will not get flattered. Okay, if somebody is going to praise him, stuti, mukhastuti, as all of us we have this nature. When somebody is going to praise us, balloon ke jaise we are going to get flattered. We will just start flying in the air. If somebody is going to do ninda, then we cannot stand that apamana. Apamana, ninda and stuti, both are same, nothing else. I used to hear from my teacher, my guru, one I think this Prashanti knows that person very well. In the year 90s, there was one Puttur Rajja. I think Kannadigas, they know very well who is that that Avadhuta Purusha. Puttur Rajja, our Acharyaji Ramchandra Bhattji also knows. He was very close to him also. Puttur Rajja, he is a great Avadhuta. Because why Tulya Nindastutir Muni? I have to give you one example, live example, who lived with us. You know, a story of him where my guru was accompanying him in one pravachana, where he was giving an example. In a temple, he went, he is an Avadhuta, for lunch. He sat on the line of Brahmana's line, you know. So that person in the manager in that mutt, you know, he did not know who is this man. So he just went and sat there for food, you know. He was seeing, oh, this man is not having Janivara. Oh, then he said, you cannot sit here. He simply kept quiet. He did not do anything. You know, he reminded him twice, thrice, but he did not show any kind of reaction. Literally, he was lifted. That Avadhuta was lifted and he was put out of the temple. You know what he said? If somebody would have, like us, you know, we would have become very angry. Oh, how you can show this kind of disparity between among? According to the Mutt people, you know, who is Brahmana? One who has Janivara. He is a Brahmana. This person is an Avadhuta. But they don't know who is this man. You know, he did not. You know, while explaining this incident to my teacher, you know, he said, they took me in Kannada so beautifully, he said. ಅವರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು, ನೀವು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರ? ನಾನು ಹೌದು ಒಂದೇ. According to this man, Brahmana is a Brahmagnani. According to that person, Brahmana is a person who is having Janav. That's all. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ. He said. ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹೊರ ಹಾಕಿದರು, ಸಮೇತ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹೊರ ಹಾಕಿದರು. ನಾವು ಎದ್ದು ಮೈ ಜಡಿಸಿ ಹೊರಟೆವು. This is how his reaction. Only an Avadhuta can do this, can react like this. Nobody else. This is what is Tulya Nindastuti. This is an amazing, I think Ramchandra Bhattji also knows this incident because he was very close to that Puttur Rajja also. This is how an Avadhuta, he reacts to this kind of situation. Never he gets insulted. Insult or stuti, both are same for a yogi. Tulya, this is an example. We have live examples like this, but we are unable to visualize or recognize this. This is what is a Jnani or a real yogi who is in Samadhi Avastha. He will never get flattered or he will never go down also while stuti and ninda. Tulya ninda stutiri mauni santushtaha. He is happy with what he has. Yena kena chit. Let what may happen. He is happy with what we have. But we are not like that. We always want more. ये दिल मांगे more. हमेशा जो है उससे हम खुश है ही नहीं. हमें और चाहिए more. So this is what is santushtaha yena kenachit. Let what may come. He is happy with what he has. These are the lakshanas of a yogi. And aniketaha. This is a beautiful word. Aniketaha. Aniketaha means he thinks that whole world is his home. Aniketaha. A person who thinks that the whole world is his home. That is Ishavasi Vidam Sarvam, Lord's abode. So he thinks that the whole world is my home. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the same thing. So he never has distinction. Idu nammuru, idu namma mane, idu namma jaga. No, nothing like that. The whole world belongs to him. It is his home. Aniketaha. That kind of features are exhibited by a yogi. Aniketaha. Stiramatihi. Always stable-minded. That is what is Sthita Pragnata. He always maintains that Sthira Pragna or Stiramatihi. Bhaktiman. With all the devotion, surrendering unto the Supreme Lord, he exhibits all these features. This is what is Avadhuta Charya. That real Avadhutas are there among with us, but we need to have that eye to look into them and recognize them, visualize their activities and try to adopt in our life. Bhaktiman me, this is what Krishna is telling. I like them. I love them. I like them very much. All these kind of activities who are showing these kind of lakshanas, they are real Gnani and real Samadhi person who is into that state of highest consciousness. This is the gist. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.
Namaste, Suprabhatam everyone. On behalf of the Cultural Committee of Isvyasa, I am pleased to announce that we are going to have 3 days of Inter-Institutional Cultural Fest under the name Kala Vilasa. So, Prashanti Utsav 2025. So, for this particular fest, we are going to have altogether 9 institutes, 9 colleges, 9 schools, which are going to compete for different events. So all these are different institutes which will be involved, the both city campus, this campus, Sushruta, Ayurveda Medical College, Nursing College, all the schools are going to participate over here. The events, list of events are mentioned over here. We are going to have all these 15 events. And I hope everybody is excited. It is going to be fun-filled 3 days of event. It's not only competitions which are going to happen, you are also going to have food fest. There are going to be stalls which are put up. You can showcase your talents, whatever you have made. If you want to do, if you want to sell those products, those things are also there. Okay, so all these events are going to be there next. And the dates are 7th, 8th and 9th. Remember these dates, okay? And the whole program is going to happen at our campus, Prashanti Kuttiram. Everybody is going to come over here and enjoy the whole program. And the last date for application for the events is 21st. Remember, the last date is 21st. So, only 3 steps that you need to follow. First, scan this QR code. This will be circulated through different schools. All the rules and regulations which are there for all the events, you will get the information about it after scanning. Then communicate with the principal and give your names through your student council. If the student council is not made, it can directly go to the principals. I will request all the principals to collab all the names and send it to us by 21st. And principal should the final yes to the coordinator before the last date. So these are the 2 numbers. In case you don't come directly, call on those numbers. You can maybe communicate through your heads if at all there is some problem, or you can communicate it to the cultural heads. Every school will have the representative from cultural side, right? So I would want everybody to take this up, and there are exciting prizes. Yes, there's a lot of funds, and from my side I'm saying yes, there'll be good prizes that will be given to you. So yes, so participate with large numbers, and the last date is 21st. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve